Here is everything I ate on my first Emirates and first long-haul flight. So, of course, before ako lumipad, chinek ko yung reviews ng Emirates food and mixed review siya. So, sabi ko, sige, ako na lang huhusga. And I was surprised dito sa beef tapa nila because it was warm and tender. Then, itong dessert na parang kakanin na may caramel, masarap din. Ito, akala ko naman kung ano yun pala, tubig lang talaga na nasa cup. Yung next meal is chicken tocino, pero wala yung tamis at yung pula ng tocino na nakasanayan natin. This flight pala is from Manila to Dubai. Ayan. Yan, may patinapay din, pero hindi siya mainit. So, okay lang. Feeling naman. And itong fruits, yung pakwan, maasim. Ayan o, nagbuk-asim ako. Plus yung dessert na yogurt with blueberry. Medyo maasim siya, so di ko bet. So, ito naman yung flight from Dubai to Prague. So, breakfast is pineapple brioche. Parang siyang peach mango pie, pero pineapple. Matamis din. Then, for lunch, itong braised beef with mashed potato. Itong salad, hindi ko rin masyadong nabet. So, tinikman ko lang, tapos di ko na ginalaw. Pero yung beef, yun din. Similar to the tapa. Tender and warm. Tapos yung soft roll, nilagyan ko ng cheese inside. Medyo matigas lang, pero okay na yan, te. Then, ito yung mga ginrepa ko. Yes, inuwi ko. Yung chocolate nila masarap in fairness. Then, ito yung fave ko sa meal na to, yung dessert, yung cream puff. Ayan, nagulat ako na ang daming laman sa loob. Then, ito, pauwi na, Prague to Dubai, beef and spinach lasagna. Masarap naman. As a pasta lover, medyo kulang lang sa tamis. Wow, as a Pinoy. So, itong couscous ba to na salad with quinoa? Di ko rin masyadong nabet. Pero yung dessert ulit, okay naman siya. Ayan. Then, nung nanonood ako ng movie, sakto, nagpamigay ng popcorn. Kaso nang walang lasa, te. It's giving, nawalan ng lasa during redacted. Okay? Anyway, ito yung breakfast. Parang chicken sausage with omelette. Okay naman. Nothing special, I guess. And then, lunch is roasted chicken with vegetables. Na-appreciate ko yung vegetables sa Emirates. Lagi siyang malambot and creamy. So, na-enjoy ko kumain ng carrots kahit di naman talaga ako kumakain masyado. Yun lang. Thanks, Giggle, for the company trip!